Alright guys, I've made a video here in about a week. Thought I'd show you what I'm doing. If you remember this piece of shit, you probably noticed that the motor is sitting right there. Kawasaki FB460V. Ooh, what is this? A new motor. Yardman 8.5. I got it fucking for cheap. And it's like a brand new motor basically. It has a shit ton of compression, like can't even turn it over by hand really. There you go. Lots and lots of compression, real good spark. Only problem I had is the wiring so far. But I basically got the wiring all figured out. It's not going to be anything spectacular, but it's going to work until I figure out the recharging system. Basically, here's your well, there's only two wires coming out of this whole motor right here. That charges the battery. There's a little diode in there that converts the AC current to DC, and that charges your battery, I believe. This is the ignition coil ground. Basically, when you ground this out anywhere, it just kills the motor. So you can just hook it up to the key. Ignition actually, right here. I just have to figure out which post it is. So here's how it is. The first hot wire goes straight to the starter, up to a little solenoid that I don't know where I got, or what it's out of. My friend gave it to me. Works just fine. It has two wires coming out of it, a green and a yellow. The yellow goes to your ground on your battery terminal. The green one actually connects the circuit and goes to the starter. So I use this old Craftsman ignition that I had laying around. The old one out of that actually. And I found the two posts that when you turn the ignition the whole way over to the last one right there, it just connects the circuit and gets your starter cranking. And how I did it, it's real easy. You just get a little multimeter. I got a little analog one, nothing special. Put it on the ohm setting right there. Then you just get your two probes and touch or put it in the vise, turn it so the keys turn the whole way to the start position, and just check for the just put it on the post right here. In my case it was this one right here and this one, and just check the continuity between it, and if it has any resistance, then that's the two posts you want to use there. So in my case it was just two of them right here, and probably you could hook the ground up to one of these off the magneto, or the ignition coil I mean. Whenever you turn that back to the stop, or the stop position, it should just kill it in theory. But I got this thing cranking over nicely. I just had this hooked up, but I gotta solder it, and I'll show you how it works. Basically, you say, here's the one that goes to the ignition, here's the other one. Basically it's just going to go like this. See that? So I'm going to have a running engine tonight, guys. Just put the muffler on it. That little shit tank's going to need some modification here once I get it running, but yeah, just thought I'd show you what I'm doing there. That's it.